list price on the shore has risen 13% compared to 1 year ago, and new listings to market are up week over week. It's Friday, October 20th, 2023, and this is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates every Friday so you stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. As more new listings hit the market, buyer activity has slowed in all counties, with Kent and Talbot lagging behind at limited. There are currently 1,413 homes for sale on the shore, another rise from last week. 91 properties are coming soon for sale. 215 came to the market since last week, reflecting a healthy rise in new listings. 81 went under contract, 77 moved to pending, 128 sold at 97.5% list to sold ratio, and days before contract fell to 15 days. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Cambridge for $3,600,000. There are 114 available rentals at a median $1,995 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, October 20th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Be safe and have a super weekend. See you next week.